luxury and adventure unite in the all-new 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. This isn't just a home on wheels. It's your passport to exploring the world in style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Mercedes-Benz has redefined motorhome travel with a seamless blend of sophistication and rugged capability. Its bold exterior design is as striking on the highway as it is parked at your favorite getaway spot. Step inside and you're greeted by a spacious, modern interior that feels more like a five-star suite. Premium leather seating, high-quality finishes, and ambient lighting set the tone for an unmatched travel experience. Cooking on the road? No problem. The fully equipped kitchen comes with a sleek induction stove, a convection oven, and a full-size refrigerator. Every detail is designed to make you feel right at home. The 2025 Mercedes Motorhome isn't just about luxury. It's built to perform. With a powerful diesel engine, advanced suspension, and all-wheel drive, it handles everything from city streets to rugged terrains with ease. Technology lovers rejoice. The cockpit features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a 12-inch touchscreen, voice control, and navigation tailored for RV. Safety is paramount, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and 360-degree cameras. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a cross-country adventure, the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome adapts to your needs. Its solar panels, large battery capacity, and water-saving features ensure you stay off-grid longer without sacrificing convenience. Elegance, innovation, and adventure. This is the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome. It's not just a vehicle, it's your ultimate travel companion. Ready to hit the road? Your journey begins here. Discover the 2025 Mercedes Motorhome, where the destination is as luxurious as the journey. Subscribe now for more luxury vehicle reviews and travel inspiration.